Fuck off. Did I say that? This is a PG show. And you're looking at me, this is how my wife looks in the morning. Is that how she looks? Just be honest. We understand. We are not gonna always dress up to make sure you get a little something. What the hell is this? Somebody else's hair, it's blonde. And it's long. Oh my God, it belongs to this lady in the front. I'm not a lesbian. I like lesbians. They talk a lot with their tongues. Hi, how are you? Has anybody seen Ellen? See, I do that very well. So you can imagine what I do to your husband. He'd never come home. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the incredible Beyonce.